So here at the Hilton Austin-Bergstrom Airport, it's really cool. This is our second time staying here. The rooms are actually pretty nice, but the history of the building is what keeps me coming back here. Plus the location's literally like a 2-minute drive to the parking garages. So I don't have to get up early, fight Austin traffic to get here. But I'm gonna show you a picture of what the hotel used to be, and give you a little backstory of it, and it just adds to the ambiance of this hotel. So this is the hotel. It used to be called the Donut. So the Bergstrom Austin International Airport, or Austin-Bergstrom International Airport, used to be Bergstrom Air Force Base. My dad actually worked out here for about a year before we got reassigned to Delaware. Yeah. But about 5 or 6 miles from here is where the municipal airport used to be. But this hotel, they had to enclose it, and you'll see it later. But it was this building right here, so it's all open aired. And people would come in, they'd park their cars underneath the building to keep it out of the sun and stuff like that. And I'll flip it around again and show you exactly where the parking used to be. And it was an open air office building. They closed it up and they turned the offices into hotel rooms. And I think they repurposed this building very well. Right here is where they would park the cars, all the way around the building. Now, in this picture where you see the cars, this is the front entrance to the hotel now. They've opened it up, they put a little roof awning over it now. But when we go out there, just think of this building as being an old military installation building and being retrofitted into this hotel. Now let's go check out the room. So we're a little behind in the times. We kind of got a little unpacked before doing the video, so please excuse our horrendous mess. But you come in here, you got a bathroom with a nice walk-in shower. They do have body wash and shampoo and conditioner available for you as well, so you don't have to worry about that. You got the nice little counter space here with a plug right here. They do have a blow dryer. It's underneath. And then they have this cool little coffee area right here. And you get 2 complimentary bottles of water as well. And there is a fridge down here. So if you bring anything or you got some leftovers, you can keep them here. Now as we make our way into the room, you got a closet right here with an ironing board and an iron, which came in handy. And it has a full-size safe in here too, so you can lock up a laptop and valuables. As you make your way through the room, there's Heezy. She's checking out the menu. We're gonna see if we're gonna eat here tonight. But we do have the king bedroom suite. So you got your desk right over here. You've got your dressers right here with a TV. You got a nice comfy chair. You got your nightstands. Now this right here has USB chargers into it. The lamp has USB chargers into it as well. So if you don't bring a plug and you got USB, you're good to go. USB-Cs are not here though, but the only downfall to this hotel is when they kept the building original. This is your window. That's it. So not a very cool view, at least from this side. You can check out the Hyatt. That's about it. But other than that, it's really cool. The rooms are good temperature, they're quiet, you don't hear the airport, and we're just like maybe a mile away from it. So let's go check out the rest of the hotel. Another cool feature about this hotel is it's perfectly round. So if you're drunk and you miss your exit, don't worry, just keep going around and you'll find it again.
Just like keep on swimming, just keep walking.
As you'll be able to see, they had to close the dome to make it AC in here because you know Texas gets a little hot. I'm on the bottom level of the hotel. The reception is right above me. Right here didn't exist before when this was the donut. So if you see the round corners, the little pillars right there, those are the construction pillars from the old time where they park cars between the pillars. So the park here is all open. If you remember that picture, this whole area was opened up, and where we were just eating at, this area right here, all built in after they took and renovated this into being a hotel. So if you can use your imagination, this used to be just concrete, open aired all the way around with just columns every like 10 or 12 foot or so.